bismillaahi raxmaani raxiim. kusoo dhawaada hawa cooking channel. waxaan rabaa maanta inaan sameeyo insha allah shushumow oo aad u fudud insha allah. la socod wanaagsan. waxaan meeshaan ku haystaa bur ah 2 3 saddex koob oo bur ah. I have a 3 cup of all-purpose flour. ku shubto insha allah 1 egg hal xabo ukun, 3 tablespoon of sugar waxa yaro 3 qaado sokor ah, and little bit of vegetable oil. koobkan yariiska saddexdiisa aan ku shubaa insha allah. koob saddexdiisa waa koob oo saddex loo qaybiyay. the 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, wax yar oo cusba, dash of salt, little bit vanilla, it's optional, it's vanilla powder, wax yar oo biyo ah. koobka 4 loo qaybiyay, qayb kamid ah oo biyo wax yar, little bit of water, and pinch of baking powder. let's mix inshallah. soo walaaqayna baking powder qaada afkeeda aan ku daray, isku soo walaaqno. I'm going to use my hand. gacanta ayaan isticmaali doonaa. biyiga haran waxaa beer ku daraya, waxyaro biyaan ku daraa insha allah. I'm going to put little bit of water insha allah. waxyar I'm going to use my hand. gacanteeda isticmaali doonaa. I'm going to mix the dough. gacan kusoo walaaqi doonaa insha allah. si fiican baa isku dhadhex gelin doonaa. إن شاء الله اسكسو ولاق مكسد 1 دقيقة عمل إن شاء الله. the dough is ready. I have this one. إن شاء الله أنا أنتو كويستا لما استعمالين وعساب. I have this one here is new, never been used. I want to make إن شاء الله the decoration for the shushumow. let you see إن شاء الله. waxaan ka dhigi doonaa I'm gonna cut small balls. waxaan ka dhigi doonaa jab yar oon aad u weyneyn. gonna make like this size, you see, yeah. marka saasaan dhigi doonaa. I'm gonna make it flat insha allah. intaan saara to make flat. خفيف إنك تدك تقبل رسالة بهاي. then fold it from this side. انت قبل رسالة وصول هذا you will fold it like this. is ready. سانو كله تديار اوكي. وصول هذا سهوا كم هذا size need to be like that. and then I will place inshallah one so do we done. I'm gonna fry after this inshallah. إن شاء الله. I'm gonna continue like this all those. إن شاء الله عجين كودن سانا كسوة دونا سيداس إلى صعبة. Gonna fold it. Place. Don't so sarshara, yeah. Here. Don't make too big, don't make too small. You have to make medium. If you make very fat, it's gonna be fat when you fry. haddii aad weynayso waa cayilaya hadoonu kala fafkanaaso wadanu kala carcarra weyn oo noqonaya insha Allah saas ila socda flat it like this. It's very thin. It's not that, you know, it's not that very thick. It's very thin. And place here on the side, then press it and press, spread when you do a spread, and again wrap from the start to the beginning here. Fold it and fold it again, fold it. You have to wrap like that. It's ready. I made them all like this. Sana kasoo dhigay kulligooda. Inshallah ad arkaysan. Is have the decoration from the top. It looks like caterpillar. Qurux waa waxa igi hangaraara casabo dhan. Sana kasoo dhigay inshallah. Asoo dubi doona. Let's see inshallah. I'm going to fry it. Then this inshallah. Bismillah. Also do it dona. It's here. I'm gonna fry it. The fryer is here. Bismillah. I'm gonna put one. Alhala uridaya. intaan kusoo dubaya insha Allah markuu dahabi noqdo. Bismillah. Diyaar waaye. This is ready. The golden color. Saan kusoo baxaya markii la dubo insha Allah. Kaas wax weyn uma baahno. It's easy. Intaan kusoo shuban doona. Intaan kusoo shubay. It's here. Bismillah. Saanu kusoo baxay كله. It look like this. I fry it. وأنا سو دوي سانو نقضي. It's a golden brown color. هنقضي ذهبي ينكسر إن شاء الله. I'm gonna prepare the sugar for the coating. هن ديارنا سكرتي عن كشوي لها إن شاء الله. عن كرب كشوي لها. I have half a cup of water. I have half a cup of sugar. وهنستخدم كوب half كيس السكر أي كوب half كيس الدقيق. Let's mix together. Let's put that إن شاء الله. وهنحط كويس ده. هيل شيدر. I have a cardinal border here. Just 1 pinch. يعني very soon. أقدر أعطينا. Let's boil the sugar. كركرت سكرت إن شاء الله. مركز ديار نحطه. تسندونا. Let's see if the sugar is ready. سكرت ديارنا إن شاء الله. When it's having bubble, it's ready the sugar. مركز صوح بيسو سكرت ديار واي. I'm gonna test my finger. This is sticky. Yeah, sugar is ready. سكرت ديار واي. وسكر دقيقة 7 ساعات مركز لهذي. إن شاء الله. عم كشوي دونا. شوشومو Somalia. Let's mix it. I need to coat all sugar syrup here. Inshallah, you see. هروح أنا سكرت ورم وقطعته. أي بحبش إن شاء الله بحبش سكرت ورم. ومرسنا. Keep mixing. keep mixing. هكا جوجين على قدة. أما دوب بدني بدنا أسميسه. يعني رفرق. You see it's dry and changing color. The sugar is dry. سكرت يسوق خلال يساق. It's ready وديار هكا إن شاء الله. هنقص شو بدونا نشيل هيك. Yeah, it's ready وديار. I'm gonna put this plate. هنقص شو بدونا تحنكا. Okay. وديار. بس وديار كلها. Some of them look mashallah. Look how it looks like, mashallah, tabarakallah. It's so beautiful and tasty. Inshallah, you will have your Eid snack. You will give your guest Eid daddy what haysata inshallah. Or martida season lahead. You don't need to buy the shops or somewhere else. You need to prepare your house. It's very easy. Inshallah, guys, if you like it, subscribe, like and share. Thank you for your support. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. Thank you very much, all of you. Inshallah, wakum hadsantiin. Inshallah, wakum hadsantiin daawashadiina. haddaad ka hesheen subscribe insha allah waanad ku mahadsantihiin fiirsashadiina markaas. See you next time and next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah waxaan ku kulmi doonaa video kan xiga inshallah. Waan ku mahadsantiin. Please subscribe, like and share inshallah. Thumbs up if you need question. Haddaa u baahantiin su'aalo iyo waxa qabtiin inshallah isoo weydiin kartiin. If you need question inshallah ask me inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.